Kelp Forest. About kelp. Giant kelp forests are beautiful underwater marine environments. Kelp is one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. Some types of kelp can grow almost 12 inches in one day. Giant kelp is the largest marine plant. Kelp plants are found mostly in shallow water of 20 to 80 feet. They live in water throughout the world. Kelp plants do not have a root system. They have what is called a holdfast. This is a mass of branches that anchors each plant. All plant parts of kelp plant use photosynthesis. This is how plants change carbon dioxide and water into sugar and oxygen. The plant does this using sunlight. Kelp fronds. The kelp fronds or leaves are closest to the surface. They get the most amount of sunlight. The fronds also take nutrients from the water. Gas-filled bladders keep the fronds afloat. Kelp is very flexible. It gently sways with the currents of the water. The underwater forest. There are several layers in a kelp forest. The canopy layer is the closest to the water's surface and receives the most sunlight. The middle layer receives less sunlight. The floor level gets the least amount of sunlight. Home and hiding place. Giant kelp forests are home to many animals. Kelp is protection for some animals. It is also a hiding place for predators. A source of food. After a storm, kelp is often washed onto the shore. This provides food and shelter for birds and other animals. Kelp is an important source of food, both in and out of the water. A commercial industry. Kelp is also an important commercial industry. Kelp is used in many kinds of food. Drug companies also use it. The price of pollution. Over the years, kelp forests all over the world have become smaller. Pollution has damaged many of them. Scientists are working to find ways to preserve these beautiful underwater wonders.